is our obligation. At the very moment na delay ang ating responding, anything will happen. Anything can happen. So, pero the moment na ito'y na-respondihan natin at nabigyan natin ng kaakibat na solusyon, it will reflect to the integrity of the organizations. So yun ang every individual na dapat inyong gampanan para maisasapatuparan natin ang ating trabaho sa bawat araw-araw.
Actually, it's my special privilege po that I was given the task na nagservisyo po sa sariling region po sa a deeply formative experience and one of my greatest honors in my career. As I stand before you, I feel a mixture of bittersweet emotions. I shall not pass this way again. I will never be the regional director of Pluto again. But I drew strength from knowing that the almost 10 months I led Pluto, through daunting challenges, high expectations,
as I assume this role, we will continue to find ways and means to make police service felt in support to our chief in his current task. A 5-minute response time, swift and responsive public service, unity and morale within the ranks, and accountability through negotiation.